Hi guys, so today I wanted to unbox my February BOXYCHARM with you guys. And if you are unfamiliar with BOXYCHARM, I don't know what rock you've been living under, but BOXYCHARM is a beauty box that gives you 4 to 5 full-size products for only $21 a month. And this month was really exciting for me and I wanted to do a video on it. Even though I got spoiled by Jackie Aina, I will forgive her because she spoiled the best product that I've ever received in a BOXYCHARM. Stay tuned for that one. So here she is in all her glory. If you would like to sign up for BOXYCHARM, hit the link in my description box. I do make a commission, I think, from that, but I never have, so don't know what it is, don't know what it's your call, really. I don't know why my video is so blown out. I'm gonna have to final cut the fuck out of this. Let's bust it open. So this month is called Afterglow. Oh, I forgot that this was the case in this BOXYCHARM. I'll share this first because we have a big oopsie in this box of a broken product, which never has happened to me in a BOXYCHARM before. So that is really depressing because I really wanted to try this product. It is from Pretty Vulgar and it's their Shimmering Swan Highlighter, which retails for $32. So this already pays for the box. I'm really depressed about this because it looks really pretty and I'm not the type of person that cares to like fix the fuck. It just went all over my floor. At least I have tile. I'll swatch it anyway. It looks like this. It's like a really pretty pearlescent pink color highlighter. Oh, I don't know if that would work for me as a highlighter. Oh, I could try it. Oh shit, okay, this is nice. It has a lot of pigmentation that I was not anticipating. I don't know why this camera makes me look 20 million times more Caucasian, but I wish, oh, you could see the glow. There you go. Shit, it's really nice. Why do you have to be broken? Anyways, that's the most disappointing product, so I thought I would start with the worst because it's only gonna get better from here. Because you can't really get any worse than a broken product, but I don't know why that happened. The second one is this lip crayon. Sorry, there's like highlighter dust all over all of my stuff. It's by Trace, which is a brand I've always been curious to try, and it's a prime and glaze lip crayon. So see how this whole thing looks like a crayon? That's pretty cool, but this is the actual product. It looks kind of dark for me, but she does look nice. I want to see, oh, it has a shine, it's a shiny color glaze, so maybe it's not too pigmented. I'll have to look at swatches. Ooh. This is magnetic, just listen. Yes, bitch. This one also has a primer inside, which is very cool and very swag. And look how cute that is. I think she's so cute. I just want to touch it. But I don't know if I'm going to keep this yet because I'm very particular about what products I keep nowadays. And then the next product is a cleanser, and this is the Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. It's an ultra gentle facial cleansing gel that washes away surface oil, impurities, pollution, residue, and makeup. Ooh, she removes makeup. Okay. Okay. Lit. I like cleansers that remove makeup. That's like my thing. I'll definitely be keeping this because I always love a good cleanser. I want to smell it. She smells like honey, but something else too. Like maybe some kind of, oh, lavender? Some kind of flower too. It has lavender oil, so honey and lavender. I was right. Oh, I forgot to share how much the pencil costs. So the pencil by Trace costs $25. And then the Pharmacy costs $22. So far all of these products individually cost more than the box. Next up we have a primer, which I'm super stoked on because even though I have a primer right now, I'm gonna put this in my little box and use it when I run out of my primer. Because I've heard so many good things about this brand and this primer specifically. It's the Touch in Sol No Pore Blim primer. Like, I think it's supposed to be kind of like the Benefit Professional, where it's just like a pore filling primer and it's just going to give you a little soft velvety feel on your skin. The full price of this is only $18, which is pretty impressive because she's a nice size highlighter. It's a traditional 1 ounce. And 2 ingredients that they mention are green tea and collagen that act as adhesives to hold on tight to your makeup. So that's interesting. Plus, just look how cute she is. Okay, we've reached the end of the box, which I am super excited for because it's the product that I'm most excited about. This is the reason why I was like, okay, I'll film this BOXYCHARM because it's the best, just for this product alone. And this product that I'm speaking of is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is my absolute favorite mascara. I've loved it for years, but I have not had it in years, so I'm so excited to have it again. This one, it just gives your lashes such a good look. Whenever I buy this, I get the travel size because it's cheaper and I feel like it dries out pretty fast anyway, so the sample size is the perfect size, and plus I like saving money. So it includes acacia Senegal tree extract to volumize your lashes, and then has film forming polymers that lock your lashes into a perfect curl. I love mascaras that do a little bit of everything. I don't just like a lengthening mascara. Like, just shoot me if you're just gonna lengthen my lashes. Like, I need everything, because why have one when you could have it all? So this is my holy grail. This is the mascara that I compare all mascaras to. I love her, she's the best, and this made the box worth it for me. So the whole box is worth $121, so you're getting $100 more than the value of the box, which is amazing. And if I want to take away the $32 from the Pretty Vulgar product because she shattered and I can't use her, for me the box value would be $89, which is still amazing when you're paying $21 for it. But only if you end up liking the products. And this is one of the boxes where I think all of the products are like awesome. I probably won't keep the lip crayon just because I have a lot of lip stuff, but still, like, 3 out of 5 is good for me because a lot of the times, like, I get these BOXYCHARMs every month and most of the time I'm just keeping like one thing, and this time I was blown away by like every product and every brand. So claps for you, BOXYCHARM. As I mentioned, if you want to sign up for BOXYCHARM, click the link in the description box and let me know what you think in the comments. Follow me on Instagram at Olivia Frescura if you're not already, and I will see you guys soon in my next video. Bye!